Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to manage the files on your Android Smart TV. So if you have many files that you have received from your smartphone or any USB connected device, so what you can do is you can download this app called as FX, which is File Explorer. You can find this app in Google Play Store. You can just open the Google Play Store and search for FX, and right now you can see the file is the app is already installed. So I have this option to open, and there are a number of other file manager apps that are available for your smart TV. You can choose any of the options that you like. Now once the File Explorer app is installed, what you can do is you can just open it, and using this buttons, the soft key buttons, you can navigate, choose for look up for the file that you want to delete. Once you are able to locate the file, tap and hold it, and it will display the list of options where you can cut, copy, delete. And what I want to do is I want to delete this file, so I will just select delete and enable this checkbox, and finally select the delete command. So you can see from the downloads the file has been deleted and you won't be able to find that file. So in this way we can manage the files within our Android Smart TV. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any question around it. Cheers, have a great day.